Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on XRP. And unfortunately, we have to start by saying that we were not able to get the bullish breakout or the bullish reclaim, because what we saw yesterday, just to get right into the video, yesterday morning we already saw that XRP, against my expectations, let's be honest, had a bearish breakdown right here below 2.5. And what I said is that, there's actually a good chance that we'll be able to reclaim that later in the afternoon. That happens very often on a Monday, that the morning gets reversed and that it gets reversed. So a bearish morning can turn into a bullish afternoon and vice versa. But that did not happen. And in general, what we saw is a continued sell-off for stocks, some more unpredictability and just in general instability regarding geopolitical situations in the world with the tariffs, etc. And I think that ultimately caused a sell-off in the entire crypto market. And you can see some coins right now are trying to recover. But XRP is doing the same thing. And ultimately, I mean, if we zoom out, and that's definitely what we will do, XRP is actually not down too much. And I know how that sounds, because if you take a look at this chart, it looks absolutely bearish. But if you put it in the context of the last 2 months, it's actually holding on relatively well. And XRP is also one of the only coins right now I actually think is worth buying or worth accumulating, potentially at these levels, even though at this point of time, I still think it's quite risky. I mean, we've had a massive liquidation spike here in the markets. We've had huge liquidations, not as big as the 3rd of February, I think, but in general, huge, with a lot of volume. So that's usually a good bottom signal, but because of the uncertain fundamental situation around the markets, I'm not certain if right now is the best area to buy, and maybe it's better to actually wait for some more real reclaims before doing that. But that's ultimately what happened with XRP. You can also see right here that the volume went up to $10 billion. So both the sell-off was very strong, but also defending the bottom right here around 2.15 for now has been done with a lot of volume. And you can also see, I mean, if you take a look at the price right here, what some of you still remember is that during the 3rd of December until the 14th of January, we were mostly consolidating here in this area. You can see the value area low. So basically the bottom of the range was right here between 2.2, and then technically we spiked down quite often towards, $2, but mostly to this level right here at 2.15. So this was the previous range low, which we, like I said, deviated below a couple of times. And that's also the level that seems to be holding right now. So is that going to be the bottom? All right, so can we just continue right now where we left off in January, which was a consolidation, which is pretty good, to be fair. Getting into a consolidation right now would be better than 95% of other altcoins. So that's going to be the big question. All right, can we actually hold this level right here at 2.15 to set up some sort of a consolidation right here for XRP between 2.15 and ultimately 2.55 again? That was the top of that previous range. Can we do this or not? And unfortunately, technically it's looking quite good the way this support level is being defended, as you can see, with the volume and just in general the initial reaction right here. But to be completely honest, I just cannot give you any certainty right now. It will depend very much on the development of the fundamentals. It will depend very much on whether Bitcoin is going to be able to reclaim 91,500 and 92,500. And given that uncertainty right now, even though this is a completely realistic and viable scenario, I would say it's best to prepare for some more bearish pressure, all right? And then for XRP, we're talking about mostly this level right here at $2, and then potentially the level we also spiked down to the 3rd of February, right here at 1.75 and 1.65. So be ready for those moves. Given the unpredictability right now, I would say that's the most likely scenario. But I'll be back, all right? I'll be back with my middle of the day market update. Hopefully we have some more confirmations and some more solid price action then. But for now, those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.